flipping on your own fake news. This game of chess is quite intense. Yeah, you're the skill guru. I'm knee deep in your shit, and so are you. Only difference is I know it, but you're so.
Hi, my name is Analo Kanga. I am a musician, an Afro-jazz saxophonist, and an entertainment lawyer. Yes, I'm also part of the faculty at Africa Digital Media Institute, stroke ADMI, where I teach units in intellectual property and career Launchpad. The vision that ADMI has of being a digital media institute of greatness, as well as even the courses that we offer. They're very unique, very niche. So yeah, I think the content plus the vision that ADMI has is very exciting. Personally, ADMI has renewed my hope in Africa's ability to compete internationally with matters creative industry and creative media. And professionally, I would say I have become a really seasoned instructor, stroke teacher through ADMI and how much it has developed me. One thing that I believe in is that learning is for the sick. And by that I mean that learning is a lifestyle. Just because you pursue a certain degree or diploma certificate doesn't mean you should confine yourself to that professionally. And so I try to inspire my students to learn for the sake of knowing things, of knowledge, learning how to express yourself, having something to say at parties. Yeah, basically, one, learning is a lifestyle, and I think also learning how to become an independent thinker. I think when you go to school, in as much as you learn many things or specific kind of things, I think it's very important to learn how to have that identity as a person and knowing how to think, knowing how to comprehend certain issues, and I think that helps you learn how to navigate life better as an adult, both socially, intellectually. So yes, learning as a lifestyle and also learning how to think. For me, graduation is always very heartwarming. When I joined ADMI and for the graduations I've been at so far during my time here, I realized that yeah, as a lecturer or maybe as a parent, as a guardian, graduation is for us. It's so exciting when you see somebody coming in from semester 1 and then all the competence they've gained, the confidence as well. I think graduation is always a very emotional time for me. Definitely all fields of digital media, whether it's music or design or animation, has become very do-it-yourself, so DIY. And basically that means that the barrier to entry is very low, you know, as long as you're excellent at your work, you post your portfolio online and you make your networks, the sky really is the limit. And I think previously there were like quote-unquote gatekeepers or people who decided on what industry standards are, which definitely professionalism and excellence is a standard, but it's art, so it's very DIY. I think in the next 5 years, it's very important to have that mindset of an entrepreneur, of doing your own work and learning how to facilitate and grow your own business as a creative. It's one of the biggest strengths I think we have at ADMI, and you know, the logo for ADMI is turning passion to profession. So making you career ready and being ready for the industry is very important. So Career Launchpad, which is a common unit across the board for everyone doing certificate and diploma courses, I think that's one of our biggest strengths because we prepare our students not only to have technical skills but also soft skills. There's a study that was done last year by the Employers Association and ADMI, and over 60% of employers were saying that it's the soft skills that they really desire in this present digital age, and that's something we deeply value as ADMI, learning how to network, how to communicate both online and offline, in person, grooming, thinking as a professional. Yeah, I think that's one of our biggest strengths. First of all, because I see myself in them and I can see where they are, where I was several years ago. I think it's very inspiring to share knowledge to future creatives. Also, creatives are very divergent thinkers. So in as much as I teach them and we teach them here, students have a lot of content. They're very interesting, their thought processes are very different, and yeah, so I learn a lot from them even as I teach them. ADMI is the place to be 100%. The track record speaks for itself. The faculty is incredible, amazing. ADMI is very future oriented. I would be very excited to teach students, especially with regards to intellectual property and learning how to take care of your creative works, how to monetize your creativity. I think that is a very interesting discussion that you can have. So karibuni sana. Yeah.